Guys, in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you how I made my first $1,000 Shopify dropshipping as a complete beginner with no skill, and how you could actually do this by yourself also. So if you're someone looking to start Shopify dropshipping and you do not want to take the risk of actually investing some money into it before you start making money, I'm going to be showing you how to actually make some money without investing as a complete beginner. So guys, over here on my screen, as you can see, this is the first store I ever created on Shopify, and as you can see over the screen, this is $1,269 over there, and I'm going to simply refresh the screen so you guys know this is legit, obviously. And as you can see, that is loading up right there and the numbers are still the same. So I'm going to show you guys how to actually start dropshipping for completely free. And I know you guys may not have money to actually pay for Shopify subscriptions. So if you do not have money to pay for Shopify subscriptions, I'm going to be showing you guys an alternative I actually used before I started using Shopify. So over here, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 steps you're going to actually need to make this work. So the first step is actually finding a product, but after you find a product, I'm going to go over that later on in this video. After you find a product, the next thing you want to do is set up a store. So if you're looking for a way to set up a free store, all you have to simply do is go over to this website over here, equid.com. I'm also going to leave a link in the description to this website. You can create a professional looking store for completely free, and you can list up to 10 products on that store. So guys, over here, as you can see, this is the first store I actually created for completely free, and this is the method I used to actually generate $1,000 as a complete beginner. So the first store I actually created, I ended up generating $235 in revenue, and I actually invested the rest of this money into this store, and that is why I actually made more money on this store, and I hope you guys actually do the same thing. So over here, I'm going to refresh this. So as you guys just saw, I just refreshed this and it's still there. $235 made with 26 orders received. So guys, you're probably wondering, how do I do this with no money at all? So the first thing you want to do, as I said before, is actually find a product. To find a product, since you have no money, since you do not want to go over to AliExpress to find cheap products to purchase, you have no money at all, what you're going to simply be doing is drop servicing at first. So over here, as you can see, you could come over to a website like this. There are other websites out there. I'm just using this one as an example. You could come over to a website like idplr.com to actually get free products to sell, but these products you're actually going to be selling aren't physical products, they're actually digital products, and that is why they're actually free, and you have every single right to actually resell this product. So free products over here, ebook, software, video, audio, graphic, and templates are all here for you to sell, and I'm going to be showing you guys where you could actually get people to buy and purchase this product from you. Another thing you could actually do if you have no products, or if you have very little amount of money to start with dropshipping, something you could do is actually go over to Fiverr and resell skills and services to actually get off Fiverr. A lot of people are actually doing this right now, and I've showed examples in my recent videos, so go check those out. But guys, over here, as you can see, all you have to simply do is come over to Fiverr and search for whatever service you're interested in reselling, or whatever service you know you could get more people to purchase from you. You're going to type that in here, and you're going to simply scroll down and set your budget to $5. So guys, hopefully you have $5 to actually invest into this. So for example, over here, I actually typed in logo design, and over here, as you can see on the screen, all these gigs are actually starting from $5. And what you could simply do is go over to Facebook and search for that same phrase and filter it out by groups, and join each and every one of these groups and find someone who is actually willing to purchase logo designs from you for a higher amount than the amount you're actually going to be paying over on Fiverr. And that is simply called drop servicing, drop shipping, whatever you want to call this. And guys, by doing that, you're going to make your first few dollars, and that is actually what I did with this first store I showed you guys over here to make $235. And after you do this for about a month or two, or even a few weeks, you could actually invest the remaining amount of money you get into a bigger store like Shopify, or start doing it mainstream with actual products. And guys, that is basically it for this 5 simple steps. You find a product, you create your store, you find people to actually purchase these products from you, and when they purchase these products from you, you start making money. And when you get rich, you could afford yourself that Lamborghini or that Ferrari you've actually always wanted to purchase. So guys, that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys really understood this. You could get free products from IDPLR or cheap products from Fiverr, and you could drop service by finding people to purchase these services from you over on Facebook. You could join every single group over here. type in whatever you want to type over here and join every single one of these groups and post, message people, look for people interested in purchasing whatever you have to offer. And after you do this, invest the amount of money you get back into the business so you could start doing this on a larger scale over and over again. Guys, that is basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like below, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comment section if you have any, or if you want to send me a message over on Instagram. I'm going to reply to as many people as I can over there also. And also, all links to websites I talked about in this video are going to be in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Peace and out.